You have an increasing need of data management and flexibility of smart manufacturing, digitization, IIoT, and edge computing. The PS6000 offers high-end HMI capabilities by building PC-based architecture based on the needs of the application, selected software, system structure, operation efficiency, and data flow. PS6000, from the leader in HMI, robust as a terminal, open and high performant as a PC, even more economical. PS6000 transforms the next stage of your digital transformation, providing flexibility, easy visibility, and reliability. The PS6000 Industrial PC series offers a new and better experience for automation engineers, operators, production managers, and maintenance specialists.